To talk.
Hello,
Hello, Sedra Hama. How are you?
I am fine, and you?
Yeah, I am also very good. And so, where are you from?
I'm from Syria, and you?
Okay, I am from India, and nice to meet you.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah,
How
so,
old are you?
sorry?
How old are you?
Yeah, I am 23 years old, and you?
I'm 19 years old.
Okay, so maybe you are a student?
Yeah, I'm student. I'm studying English.
Oh, that's good. That's very nice. Yeah, I'm also a student, and I just. Hello, friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Prashant Singh. So, friends, in this video, I am going to tell you that how you can practice English speaking without paying any single penny. So, it means if you want to practice English, if you want to improve your communication skill, if you want to do conversation with strangers, so you can do easily without paying any money. It is a free platform where you can practice English. So, for knowing more about it, you need to watch the complete video, and I will tell you, I will explain all the things properly. So, first of all, we need to open our Google, and on Google, we need to search our website www.freefortalk sorry freefortalk.com. So this is the website you need to enter, and you can search. Friends, this is the platform, and you can see this page, free for talk language practice community, and there are many options here like sign in, create a new group, free for talk app, privacy policy, search bar, recent groups, English. Friends, here you can not only practice English, you can also practice other languages if you are learning, like Persian, Spanish, Russian, Chinese, Tamil, Bengali, Indonesian, Vietnamese, etc. etc. Okay, so this is the platform, and if you want to practice English, so first you need to do sign in. For doing sign in, you need to enter your with the help of your email or Gmail ID, you can simply sign in and you can practice any language. I am here talking about English only. So you can see on our right hand there is a option of sign in. You just need to click on that option, and you can select your Gmail account. So I have selected my Gmail account, and you can see that I have entered with my Gmail account. So I can practice. So how you can practice? So I will tell you. There are many groups created by people. So if you are interested to join this group, you can simply join and talk now. You can click on this option and you will enter that group. So there are many groups, and if you want to enter, then you can simply enter and you can talk. So if that person is not interested to talk to you, he or she may also kick you. Okay, so many times people kicked too many times, so that person sometimes become blocked. So that is why I will not enter in any group. I will simply create a new group. So creating a new group, there is a option of creating a new group. You just need to click on that option. So there is a new window, and you need to first is topic, second is maximum people, third one is language, and last one is level. So here you can give any topic, like on any topic. If you want to discuss about that topic, you can enter. So I am talking about environment. Okay, environment. I enter the topic, and next to it there is the option of maximum people. So here you can choose how many people do you want in your group. So if you want unlimited people, you just leave this option because unlimited is already chosen. So if you want to limit the people, so here this is a option 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So like I want to permit only 5 people to enter, so I just click on 5. Okay, and next one is language. Here you need to select the language in which do you want to talk. So if you want to talk in English, you can select English, or if you want to talk on any another language, you can select your language. So I will talk in English, so I will select English as a medium. And level, here you can select your English speaking level. So I just select any level, so people from beginner to advanced level, they can enter into my room. So I just need to click on create option. There is a option of create, so I just clicked. So you can see this is the group which I created recently, and here first I need to enter in this group. So I will click on join and talk now. You can see I need to click anywhere. Okay, I clicked. Okay, I entered in that room, and you can see in left corner there is the option of mic, mute and unmute. If you click on that option, now my mic is open, and whatever I am speaking, if people is there, they will listen to me. If my mic is off, then people will not able to listen me. There is an option of camera. I can also open my camera. Okay, and if you want to leave this meeting, there is an option of hang call. So if you want to hang up this call, you can click on yes. So I don't want to hang up. And there is a option of message. You can hear message to people. Okay, next option is here you can share screen, YouTube, whiteboard, document. So there is one person to whom I am going to talk. Hello Sedra Hama, how are you?
I am fine, and you?
Yeah, I am also very good. And so where are you from?
I am from Syria, and you?
Okay, I am from India, and nice to meet you.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
How old are you?
Sorry?
How old are you?
Yeah, I am 23 years old, and you?
I'm 19 years old.
Okay, so maybe you are a student?
Yeah, I'm a student. I'm studying English.
Oh, that's good. That's very nice. Yeah, I am also a student, and I just completed my graduation 2020 in 2020 itself.
You are speak very quickly.
I don't know, because it is my habit to speak in this way. So if you are thinking that I am speaking very fast, then you can tell me. I will speak slow.
Yeah. Is your dialect British or American?
Actually, in India there is a different dialect. It is Indian, but we are influenced by British. I think British dialect.
British dialect.
Yeah.
You are native speaker or learn English?
No, I am learning English. My mother tongue is different, not English. So I am learning English. I am learner. Okay, can you please give me 5 minutes, because I am sub work.
Yeah.
Okay,
No
thank
problem.
you. Thank you. So friends, you can see that I talked with a
Sorry.
person. She is a girl and she is from Syria and she is a student, and here I am practicing English with strangers. Okay, the people not from India, people all over the world, they came on this the platform and they practice English. You can also practice English. Here I was telling you that there is a option like YouTube. You can share YouTube screen, you can share your mobile screen, you can also open whiteboard, you can play games, and there is a option of crisp, like this is a artificial intelligent powered app that removes background noise like barking dogs, street and traffic noise, crying babies. So this type of some background noise came. So when we turn on, then this noise doesn't come and we can doing conversation easily. Okay, and you can see, and this is the platform. Here we have option of citing, and here we can turn off participant voice, we can off turn on off joining, people will not be able to join if we turn off.
Prashant,
Yeah, so these all things. Yes, Sedra.
I will ask you a question.
Yeah, you can ask.
Can you help me in practice and learning English friendly?
Okay, I can help you.
How can help me?
Like I can only help you like if we practice English here and we do conversation. In this way we can do practice, and if you are making any mistake, then I can also give you feedback, and if I am making mistake, then you can give me feedback. In this way we can practice English easily.
Yeah, I need to practice and learning English friendly because I'm studying English, but in our university, they didn't concentrate on dialect or speaking.
Okay, actually I am noticing that you are speaking well and you need to practice more. You will be a good speaker, because it is not one day, it takes almost a year to deliver a good speaking. Okay, so don't worry and do practice. So how long are you here to practice English, like
How long?
like from last how many days are you here on this platform free for talk?
I don't understand. Speak slowly, please.
Okay. So when did you get to know about this platform free for talk?
Can you write? I don't understand this sentence. Can you write?
Okay, please give me 2 minutes only. Can you give me 2 minutes?
Can you give me your number in order to connect on WhatsApp?
No, I cannot give my number, but if you are using Telegram, then I can give my Telegram hashtag. You can message me. Okay.
Here, give me your hashtag on Telegram.
Okay, I am giving. So friends, she is a girl and she is asking my number because she want to practice English with me on WhatsApp. So I just denied because I am not able to give my mobile number to everyone. But I told the Telegram account hashtag, so she will message me and she can reply. So this is a wonderful platform where you can practice easily English. Okay, so if you want to practice English, you can download or you can visit this website. So that is all about. So if you like this video, you can hit like button. Okay, and you can also share and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.